Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Ramya back with another video for you. Today we're going to learn how we can blur the background of an image in Pixlr. So let us start by creating a new one. So we will open an image, and after that we have to duplicate this layer, and then we will make this unlocked and visible. Then let me just click upon this and untick it. Then we will select the eraser of size 200, and then we can remove this background. And the rest part which is left, that can be done by using the lasso select with polygon. So let me just zoom in and I'll remove this part. Now we've removed the background, so let us stick the original background which was there, and let us go on filters now and select Gaussian blur, and maybe I can take the size to here, or maybe this could work, and then we can click upon apply. Now let us go on adjustment, then we have to click upon color vibrance, or we can simply click upon vibrance, and then we can change that to maybe, I think this could work, and then we can apply it. And let's go to this layer and flatten it, and then the image has been flattened. So in this way you can create an image which is having the blur effect. So I hope you liked this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.